In today's video, I will walk you through how to change the zoom level on Outlook email. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Sign in to your Outlook account so you can access your email messages. Once you are signed in, head over to any email message you want to read. This can be an email you recently received or any message already in your mailbox. After the email opens, move your cursor over the message area so the email content is active on screen. Now press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard. While keeping that key held down, use your mouse wheel to scroll up or down. If you scroll upward, the email will zoom in and the text will become larger and easier to read. If you scroll downward, the email will zoom out and the text will become smaller. Continue adjusting the zoom level until the email feels comfortable for you to read on your screen. This can be helpful if the text appears too small or too large while viewing messages in Outlook. That's all it takes to change the zoom level on Outlook email messages. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more quick tutorials.